If you're following the Mediterranean diet, you know you should be loading your plate with vegetables and good-for-you proteins like salmon. But what about breakfast? Fruit, dairy, and whole grains play a big role in the diet, so there's actually a lot of tasty and satiating breakfast options to choose from. Here are 10 recipes to inspire you. 1. Caprese avocado toast. Avocado toast might not have originated in the Mediterranean, but its combination of whole grains and healthy fats makes it well suited to the diet. This one feels extra appropriate because of its caprese salad twist. 2. Eggs with summer tomatoes, zucchini, and bell peppers. To save time in the morning, you can make the vegetable mixture the night before and then just rewarm it in a skillet or the microwave as you fry your eggs. 3. Crispy white beans with greens and poached egg. While the recipe calls for Swiss chard, any leafy green will work well here, so don't hesitate to use whatever is in your crisper drawer. 4. Breakfast grain salad with blueberries, hazelnuts and lemon. If you have plain cooked quinoa left over from dinner last night, use it as the base of this unique, lightly sweetened grain salad.